Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make delicious and juicy buttermilk fried chicken. To get started, put 1 pound of chicken legs into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, half a teaspoon of sage, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Give everything a mix with your hands, making sure all sides of the chicken are coated in the seasonings. Then pour over 2 cups of buttermilk. Let this marinate in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Now for the seasoned flour. Add 1½ cups of flour to a bowl, along with ½ cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix until it's all combined. Now heat up a pot of oil or deep fryer to 350 Fahrenheit. Take out the chicken from the fridge and spoon some of the marinade into the flour and mix it around. This will help to add more flaky texture on the chicken. Take out each piece of chicken and drain off the excess marinade, then coat in the seasoned flour, making sure every spot is covered. Really pack it in with your hand. Add a few pieces of chicken in the oil at a time, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Cook the chicken for 12 to 14 minutes or until they are golden brown and the internal temperature is at 165 Fahrenheit. Place the chicken on a wire rack to drain, and that's it! The buttermilk marinade really makes the chicken extra juicy. And look at the texture we got from the flour, it's so crispy and flaky. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.